Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And now I'm going to pitch tent at Doi Intanon in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Let's go! And now we have reached the tent site of Doi Intanon. The tent site will be separated into different zones. Look at there and there. Wow. We will let the brother do it. The next step is making a fire. Not enough fire dumplings. I had to walk out to the stove to buy it, which was very far away. And I walked alone. Now it's close to our tent. I will be able to kill pork for a while because I'm very hungry. Wait, it's so black. Don't worry. Oh.
A few moments later.
ลาบดิบกินมาแล้วกลัวแล้ว
It's now night. The weather is very cold. The atmosphere became quiet because everyone start to sleep. I have to go to sleep now. Good night.
The next day.
Right now, we are going to the Kill Map on. Now, let's go hiking. The 2.8 kilometer route. This is map to go. It's not far, so chill. Go, go, girl. I can do it. Who is try? Yes, it's me. Trier, but still beautiful. I'm so pretty, girl. Wow, big waterfall in the forest. Woo! Right now, the weather is about 10 degrees Celsius, but I'm getting hot. I'm so pretty, really pretty. Yes. Go, go, go. Who is hot? Oh, it's me. Now we come to the middle. So beautiful. I will take photo. Next, we will walk to the point, take a better photo. Keep walking. Wow, it's very nice view. Wow. Woo! Take a photo. Now we have only walked halfway. Wow, so beautiful. View? No, it's my face. So beautiful. Yes. Keep walking. Go. Right now, the weather is so hot, and then I start to get dry. Why is so far? But I still fight because I'm a strong, beautiful girl. Keep fighting and walk to the exit the forest. Sound of hope when I see the exist. I get it.